This video will show you how to replace the map sensor on a Chrysler Town Country with a 3.8 liter engine. This will be located along the top of your engine. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Locate the map sensor up along the top of the engine. Now in this area we can see that we do have one electrical connector. This electrical connector does have a red locking tab. We're going to dislodge that tab using a small screwdriver as a prying device. Now after that, we're going to make our way to the next tab. We're pressing down. You can do this by hand. We'll give this a wiggle and slide it out of place. A quick inspection for corrosion. That looks good. We'll set that wiring aside. At this point, you should be able to take hold of the map sensor. We're going to give it a twist and gently lift at the same time. It'll lift up and out of place. There it is, friend. Now, prior to installation of any brand new part, let's make sure we clean and inspect the mounting area. As far as this is concerned, a clean rag should do. We're not using any type of detergents which might make its way into the engine. As we clean this, let's try pulling any miscellaneous debris out and away from the port. Now it's time for installation of the brand new map sensor. I've coated my sealing ring with a lubricant. You can use clean motor oil or some silicone paste, whatever's easiest for you. As we start bringing this in position, we're starting like this. We'll start pressing down and twisting. It should slide down into the intake. We'll continue twisting until it stops up against this mounting point. After you have that secured in place, we'll continue on with our electrical connector. Line it up, press it in, listen for an audible click. After that audible click, we want to make sure it's secure, and we also need to lock it down. Okay friend, we finished the installation. Now the next thing you have to do, if you had a check engine light, reset it. After that, start the vehicle, let it run. Make sure it doesn't have a running condition, no check engine light, and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.